Welcome to Banking Vocabulary, essential terms for everyday finance in the English Learning from Scratch series. Today, we will learn 5 key banking words that you need for managing money and talking about bank accounts. An account is a financial arrangement with a bank to hold and manage your money. It is like your personal money storage space at the bank. When you say, "I opened a new savings account at the bank yesterday," it means you started this financial relationship with the bank to keep your money safe. Deposit means to put money into your bank account. This is how you add money to your account from cash or checks. When she made a deposit of $500 into her checking account, it means she gave that money to the bank to keep safely in her account. Withdraw means to take money out of your bank account. This is how you get cash when you need it. When he went to the ATM to withdraw $100 from his account, it means he took that money out of his account to use for spending. Transfer means to move money from one account to another. You can transfer between your own accounts or send money to someone else. When I need to transfer $200 from my savings to my checking account, it means moving money between 2 different accounts I own. Balance is the amount of money in your account at any given time. It shows exactly how much money you have available. When my checking account balance is $1,250 after the deposit, it means that is the total money currently in my account. Here are our 5 key banking terms: account, deposit, withdraw, transfer, and balance. Practice these words when you talk about money and banking. You now know the essential vocabulary for everyday banking conversations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.